Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to post on Instagram without notifying the followers or the quiet post thing. So you have to head over to your Instagram. Once in there, head over to the plus icon and in here select anything you want to post. So let's say I'm gonna post this one and tapping on next, and in here tap on next. And here you will find the option of more option. And here see if there is an option of quiet posting. So as you can see, there is no option of quiet posting, or you can just hide the share count, like count, but there is no option of quiet posting in here. So because in all the countries they don't avail it, but you can find it in here. So yeah, you have to just turn on the quiet posting and just tap on share, and it will be shared without notifying the followers. So hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.